Hey there, fellow craftsfolk. Welcome to a world where creativity meets practicality. Nick Offerman here, ready to guide you on a journey into the fascinating world of hidden compartments. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there's something magical about creating secret spaces. Forget high-tech gadgets and fingerprint scanners. We're talking good old-fashioned woodworking ingenuity, the kind that makes you feel like a master craftsman from a bygone era. These hidden compartments aren't just for hiding valuables or top-secret documents, though they can do that too. They're about adding a layer of intrigue and functionality to everyday items. Think of them as clever solutions for maximizing space and adding a touch of mystery to your furniture. Imagine the delight on someone's face when they discover a hidden drawer in a seemingly ordinary piece of furniture. Imagine a coffee table that transforms into a secret gaming station. Perfect for those who love to keep their living spaces tidy while having a dedicated spot for their hobbies, or a bookshelf that swings open to reveal a hidden room. It's like something straight out of a mystery novel or a spy movie, but you can create it in your own home. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination and maybe some basic physics. From hidden drawers to secret doors, the world of hidden compartments is vast and full of potential. So grab your tool belt, put on your safety glasses, and let's get started. Together, we'll explore techniques, tips, and tricks to bring your hidden compartment ideas to life. Whether it's for fun, function, or a bit of both, there's no limit to what you can create. We'll cover everything from the basics of measuring and cutting wood, to more advanced techniques like creating seamless joints and finishes. By the end of this journey, you'll have the skills and confidence to tackle any hidden compartment project. So, let's dive in and start crafting some amazing hidden compartments. Your furniture will never be the same again, and you'll have a blast creating these clever and functional pieces. Let's make some magic happen. Before we embark on our clandestine carpentry adventures, let's make sure you have the right tools for the job. Don't worry, we're not talking about anything too fancy or expensive. You'll need the basics. A trusty saw, circular or hand saw will do, a drill with various bits, a measuring tape, accuracy is key in our line of work, a hammer, a screwdriver, and some wood glue. A few clamps will also come in handy for holding things together while the glue dries. And don't forget safety equipment. Eye protection and a dust mask are non-negotiable. Remember, safety first, secret compartment second. Now for the fun part, choosing the right type of hidden compartment for your project. There are many options, each with its own level of complexity and cool factor. False bottoms are a classic choice, perfect for concealing valuables in drawers or under furniture. Slide-out panels offer a bit more space and can be incorporated into various designs. For a touch of drama, consider a pop-up compartment that springs open with a hidden latch. And if you're feeling really ambitious, why not create a concealed panel that blends seamlessly into your furniture? Let's start with a simple project that's perfect for beginners: a hidden drawer in a coffee table. First, choose a coffee table with a drawer that's deep enough to accommodate your hidden compartment. Measure the interior dimensions of the drawer carefully. Cut a piece of plywood to fit snugly inside, creating a false bottom. Attach small wooden blocks to the underside of the false bottom, leaving enough space for your hidden items. To access your secret stash, simply lift the false bottom. You can add a small handle or knob to the underside for easier access. Remember, the key is to make it look as natural as possible. Next up, let's tackle a project that's both practical and stylish: a secret storage compartment in a headboard. This is a great way to maximize space in your bedroom and keep valuables out of sight. You can create a simple shelf behind a removable panel in the headboard, or get more elaborate with hidden drawers or compartments. Consider using hinges and magnetic catches for a seamless look. You can even add a touch of personalization by lining the compartment with fabric or felt. Just make sure the compartment is deep enough to accommodate your items without interfering with the headboard's structural integrity. Section 6. Drawer Disguise, the Art of the Double Bottom. In this section, we will explore a fascinating and practical woodworking technique that has been used for centuries to add an extra layer of security and secrecy to your furniture. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, this method is both accessible and highly effective. Want to add an extra layer of security to your drawers? Imagine having a secret compartment that only you know about, perfect for storing valuable items or important documents. This hidden space can be your little secret, providing peace of mind and an added sense of security. Try building a false bottom. This simple yet ingenious technique involves creating a hidden compartment within your drawer by adding a second false bottom. It's a clever way to utilize the space in your furniture more effectively and securely. This classic technique can be used in desks, dressers, or any furniture piece with drawers. Whether you have an antique dresser or a modern desk, the false bottom can be seamlessly integrated into any style of furniture, making it a versatile solution for various needs. Measure the interior dimensions of the drawer and cut a piece of plywood to create the false bottom. Precision is key here, as the false bottom needs to fit perfectly within the drawer to avoid any noticeable gaps or movement. Attach small wooden blocks to the sides of the drawer to support the false bottom, leaving enough space for your hidden items. These blocks will act as a ledge for the false bottom to rest on, ensuring it stays in place and can support the weight of the items you wish to conceal. You can then add a small knob or handle to the underside of the false bottom for easy access. This handle will allow you to lift the false bottom effortlessly, revealing the hidden compartment below. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in the functionality of your secret drawer. The key is to make sure the false bottom fits snugly and doesn't rattle when the drawer is opened and closed. A well-fitted false bottom will blend seamlessly with the rest of the drawer, making it virtually undetectable to anyone who doesn't know it's there. Take your time to ensure a perfect fit, and you'll have a hidden compartment that is both secure and discreet. Once your false bottom is in place, you can start using your new hidden compartment. Store your valuables, important documents, or any items you want to keep out of sight. The satisfaction of knowing you have a secret space that only you can access is truly rewarding. The art of the double bottom is a timeless technique that combines craftsmanship with practicality. It's a testament to the ingenuity of woodworking and the endless possibilities it offers. So why not give it a try and add a touch of mystery to your furniture? Section 7. Bookshelf Portal, making an entrance worthy of James Bond. Now for a project that's not for the faint of heart, transforming a bookshelf into a hidden door. This requires some advanced woodworking skills and careful planning, but the results are sure to impress. You'll need to build a sturdy frame for the hidden door and attach it to the bookshelf, using heavy-duty hinges. The bookshelf itself will act as camouflage, concealing the door from prying eyes. You can use a hidden latch or pressure plate to open the door, adding to the mystery and intrigue. Just make sure the door is properly balanced and swings open smoothly. Section 8. Dining Table Deception, Secret Stash for Gravy Boats, and beyond. Let's not forget about the dining room. A hidden compartment in a dining table is perfect for storing extra silverware, tablecloths, or even secret family recipes. You can create a simple hidden compartment under the tabletop, or get more creative with built-in drawers or sliding panels. Consider using a discreet latch or push-to-open mechanism for easy access. Just make sure the compartment is well sealed to prevent spills or crumbs from finding their way in, and as always, prioritize a seamless look that blends in with the table's design. Section 9. Top Secret Tips. Because stealth mode is always in fashion. As with any covert operation, success hinges on careful planning and execution. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the thrill of creating hidden compartments never gets old. It's not just about the secrecy, it's about the craftsmanship, the precision, and the satisfaction of a job well done. Here are a few top secret tips to ensure your hidden compartments are the envy of every DIY enthusiast and secret agent. Precision is paramount. The first step in any successful hidden compartment project is meticulous planning. Sketch out your ideas, measure your materials, and double-check every detail. Remember, the more precise your measurements, the better your final product will be. Accurate measurements are crucial for ensuring your compartments fit snugly and operate smoothly. A fraction of an inch can make the difference between a seamless fit and a noticeable gap. Choose quality materials. The type of wood and hardware you select will greatly impact the durability and functionality of your hidden compartments. Opt for sturdy wood and reliable hardware that can withstand frequent use. Cheap materials may save you money up front, but they can lead to problems down the line. Safety first, always. Working with tools and materials can be dangerous, so it's essential to prioritize safety. Use proper safety equipment and techniques throughout the building process. This includes wearing safety goggles, gloves, and other protective gear. Seamless disguise. The best hidden compartments are undetectable. They blend in so well with the surrounding furniture that only you know they exist. Pay attention to detail and strive for a seamless look that blends in with your furniture. This means matching the wood grain, color, and finish of your hidden compartment to the rest of the piece. The more it looks like a natural part of the furniture, the better. Pay attention to detail and strive for a seamless look that blends in with your furniture. Sand down rough edges, apply a matching stain or paint, and ensure that all moving parts operate smoothly. Remember, the true beauty of a hidden compartment lies not just in its functionality, but also in the craftsmanship and ingenuity that went into creating it. Remember, the true beauty of a hidden compartment lies not just in its functionality, but also in the craftsmanship and ingenuity that went into creating it. It's a testament to your skills and creativity. So go forth, fellow artisans, and let your imaginations run wild. Whether you're hiding valuables, creating a secret stash for your favorite snacks, or just enjoying the challenge, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So go forth, fellow artisans, and let your imaginations run wild. The world of hidden compartments is vast and full of possibilities. With careful planning, quality materials, and a keen eye for detail, you can create something truly remarkable. Happy building!